So how do you put a sound over a video on a Capcut using the iPad, but essentially on other devices as well? Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you're never going to miss anything important. Well, you open up your Capcut as usual, and below your regular video layer, we also have the button to add audio. So this gives us so many options on bringing some kind of like audio file in here, like some kind of sound, right? But the best way, if you ask me, is by going to the sound section where you can see some recommended sounds, or you have the TikTok icon so you get to log in and perhaps access those sounds as well. But the best way for me is going to the folder like that and clicking on the device, which lets me open up the files application, and any MP3 or like audio file I have stored in my files app can be brought over to Capcut for editing, right? So I can bring it in here, add this to my timeline, and work with it as a regular or any other audio file, right? So I can trim it, I can bump up the volume or add some effects specifically to that audio layer. And in that way, I can literally put any sound over my video through the Capcut editing software, right? So as I say, it works the same way on the iPhone, iPad, and I believe on other devices as well. So let me know in the comments if it worked for you as well. Make sure you stay tuned by subscribing to this channel so you never miss these types of tutorials and videos in the future, and I'll talk to you later.